Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to get a VPN for free. Start by going to the link below or just type in Proton VPN into your browser. Next, click on Get Proton VPN for free. After that, click on Continue for free. Now create an account using your email and choose a password. When done so, click on Download Proton VPN. Open it up once downloaded and choose Next. On this tab, I would deselect Install Proton Drive, except when you would like an encrypted cloud storage. Choose Next once more, and Proton VPN will install itself. Finally, log in with the account that you created in the beginning, and you can use Proton VPN for free. If you click on Quick Connect, Proton VPN will choose a server that is available and your VPN is activated. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.